Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Binance app. First, download the official Binance application from your device's app store. Once installed, you will need to complete a quick identity verification process to unlock all the app's features and ensure secure transactions. After verification, you can easily fund your account using several convenient deposit methods, such as bank transfers or credit cards. This initial setup takes only a few minutes, getting you ready to explore the world of digital assets. Once your account is set up, navigating the Binance app is straightforward. The home screen provides a quick overview of market data and popular cryptocurrencies. To buy or sell, simply tap the Trade tab. Here, you can select from various trading options, including spot trading for immediate transactions or more advanced margin and futures trading. You can place market orders for instant execution or set limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price point. Managing your cryptocurrency portfolio within the Binance app is simple and efficient. Head over to the Wallet section to view all your asset balances and track their current value. You can easily review your complete transaction history, providing a clear overview of your past activities. To stay informed, set up custom price alerts for your preferred cryptocurrencies, ensuring you never miss a significant market movement. This helps you monitor your investments effectively and make informed decisions. For enhanced security, always enable two-factor authentication on your Binance account. This adds an extra layer of protection. Beyond trading, the app offers various earning opportunities like staking and savings, allowing your crypto to potentially grow. Should you encounter any issues, customer support is readily available to assist you. Additionally, advanced charting tools are integrated, providing in-depth market analysis to help you make more strategic trading decisions and maximize your experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.